Good morning, students. As always, we are again presenting before you a physics lab experiment how to find the focal length of concave mirror. So, you may observe the full set apparatus is already ready over here. I have taken one concave mirror. This is a meter scale, and the position I have taken on the meter scale. The position of mirror is as 45. Now I am going to verify the position of C. As we all are knowing, the image formed when the object is placed at C, it will remain C as usual, real and inverted. So on adjusting this object image, now we are going to adjust this as C experiment. Just verify it. You may observe, see the position of object, this C got the real and inverted image, the both going to coincide. You may observe, this point is going to coincide, and as we are moving this image right or left, the inverted image also moving together right and left. So this we got the first data for this finding the focal length. Same thing we have to take out in another place also. So this reading we may take as 81. First reading we got 45 and 81. Now we are going to adjust with the mirror with another meter scale. Now the adjusting distance we are taking as how much, sir? 35 centimeter. Then again trying to find out the real and inverted image of this spin mirror by adjusting it as second reading we have taken as 35 the position of mirror, and after adjusting you may observe, see when the object is at C, real and inverted image are going to form, both points are going to coincide each other, you may observe here, and as we moving the image is also going to be moved with object position. So we will note down this reading also, as this reading is 69.5. Now for third case, we have changed the position of the concave mirror as position is 30 centimeter, and after adjusting the position of object, this we got 65.5. You may observe how the image is going to form over here. So see, you may observe over here, this object, real and inverted image going to coincide. If you will move, object is also going to be, object and image, those points are going to move with each other. So this, we got three different values of position of mirror and object with image, where we can find the focal length of the concave mirror. How to find this? We continue. I will tell you how to find by using this data. Students, now move to next. As in lab, I have collected the three data. In order to finding the focal length of concave mirror, we have changed three different positions of mirror and object. We got three different data as for condition of C. C condition we all are knowing. When the object is placed at center of curvature, the image will be from same size, same point, but real and inverted. So we got three different values for mirror position and object position also. Now move to next. This is mirror position and object position on meter scale. So if we will subtract this, we will get the value of U and V. So U and V value is this much. U and V both will remain same. Why? Because our condition we have applied here for C. So finding the formula for mirror, 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. F will be UV upon U plus V. Put this value, we are getting this first focal length. Same way for second case, UV minus both second data subtraction, we will get U and V minus 35.5. So F2 by using same formula 17.75. Third data 81 and 45, subtraction of both will give the value of U and V. Third focal length 18 centimeters. So we got three different values, three focal length. At last we will find the mean focal length of concave mirror, which mirror we have used over here. That is all three focal length ka average means F1 plus F2 by 3. By putting this value, we can observe near about we are getting approx 18 centimeter. It will be 17.66 something. Overall 18 centimeter. So this is the experiment which you will do in class 11th and 12th also. How to find the focal length of concave mirror. So all of you did it theory, you will write down from your book, but table work and calculation work you have to note it down from here only. So all of you complete fast and do your work properly by this focal length, how to find the focal length of concave mirror.